In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your iPhone data to iCloud. Keeping a backup of your data is essential. It ensures that you won't lose important information if something unexpected happens to your device. So let's walk through this simple process together. First, let's access iCloud through your iPhone settings. Begin by opening the settings app on your iPhone. Once inside, you'll see a variety of options, but you want to focus on the section with your name at the very top. This is where all the personal settings related to your Apple ID are located. Go ahead and give it a tap. Next, in the menu that appears, you'll find an option labeled iCloud. Tap on iCloud and you'll see a new list of options that are all associated with your iCloud account and related settings. If you're new to this, don't worry, it's a straightforward process and I'll guide you through each step. Now look for iCloud Backup in this list of options. Upon finding it, tap on iCloud Backup. This is the area where you can manage whether your iPhone backs up automatically and where you can initiate a manual backup if need be. This is particularly handy if you're about to update your software or plan on switching to a new device soon. At this point, you might notice that iCloud Backup is toggled off. If that's the case, simply tap to turn it on. This enables your iPhone to automatically back up important data to iCloud whenever your device is plugged in, locked, and connected to Wi-Fi. It's a great way to ensure that your data is secure without having to think about it on a daily basis. Once you've toggled iCloud Backup on, you'll see the option to backup now. Tap on this and the backup process will begin. During this time, your iPhone will start sending all your important information like photos, app data, and settings directly to iCloud. This process might take a few minutes, especially if you haven't backed up recently or if you have a lot of stored data. It's advisable to ensure that your device stays connected to a stable Wi-Fi network and remains plugged into power during the backup. This helps prevent any interruptions and ensures a smooth backup process. And there you have it. Once the backup is complete, all your iPhone's crucial data will be safely stored in iCloud. This means you can rest easy knowing that in the event of unexpected data loss, your important information is backed up and can be restored to your device. Remember, setting up regular backups is a smart and simple way to keep your data secure. Thanks for watching and be sure to check out more of our helpful how-tos.